welcome back to the first episode of my new series called Prime Tech, where I'm going to give you my best recommendations for technology on Amazon. I made this series just because I know how hard it can be when trying to purchase an item on Amazon, and I'm going to facilitate your guys' issues by just coming up with a huge list of items that I think are the best and you should purchase, because I've been an Amazon member for a really long time. I consider myself really good at finding really good tech deals, and most of the stuff I buy on Amazon ends up having a lot of value, and I always get the best deals on Amazon. I always find like the most inexpensive items that have a lot of value with them. So I'm going to help you finding all your tough decisions. That didn't make any sense, but I'm going to help you decide the best items to buy on Amazon. And the first one we got here is an Xbox One S 1TB console Minecraft Creators Bundle. This is discontinued, but it's on Amazon right now. Sadly, it's not in stock, but it's going to be in stock August 8th, 2019. So that's in like roughly like 6 days. So why this console is so amazing is, one, it's an Xbox One S is a solid console, and two, it has Minecraft. Minecraft is really popular these days. If you want to get into streaming and stuff like that, I'd pick this up because it comes with a load of Minecraft stuff. As you can see here, it comes with Minecraft the game, Minecoins, it comes with a starter pack, and it comes with a creators pack. So it comes with all this neat stuff that you guys need. It's a terabyte console, so you're never going to run out of storage with this. And it's got 4K, Blu-ray, HDR, Minecraft. Here you go. Okay, so here we go. We got HDR, high dynamic range, 4K Ultra HD, Blu-ray and video streaming, which is awesome. And we got spatial audio with Dolby Atmos technology. And here are all the Minecraft stuff that it comes with. You get 1,000 Minecoins, in-game currency to like get skins, textures, and other worlds, I guess. We got the Creators Pack, Relics, Wildlife, Winter Mini Games Festival, all this cool Minecraft extra stuff. I'm not an expert at it, but I'm sure if you're a huge Minecraft fan, this is the console to get for you. So, Xbox One S, awesome piece of hardware. I think this is a huge improvement over the normal Xbox One. As you can see, it's got all the regular I/O. Doesn't have that huge clunky power brick anymore. It's a much slimmer, sleeker design. I'd highly recommend this product. Main selling point here, it's only $214, guys. This is absolute steal. Like, come on, $214 for a terabyte console that comes with Minecraft. You can't beat this. Like, the Fortnite bundle, way more expensive, and it comes with Fortnite, which is a free game anyway. Minecraft is not a free game, and it comes with it. So, highly recommend this, guys. No complaints here. Obviously, it gets great reviews. This is a great console. For all those people who are saying I like PS4 better, guys, I think they're both great, but this is an excellent deal. Obviously, I have an Xbox, so I can actually back that up. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be my first item on the list. If you're a company and you're watching this and you want me to promote your item, this is a great way to do it. I'll basically just make a video on your item and promote it to my audience, because I love technology and I want to find you guys the best tech deals on Amazon that are out there. So that's going to wrap it up for this first episode, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you would leave comments down below if you're searching for certain items, and I will find you the best deals on Amazon. That can be any kind of technology. It can be phones, headphones, workout headphones, PCs, travel adapters, power banks, anything like that. Just let me know what you guys are looking for. I'll go do some research and I will find you the best deals. I can also do this on like big Black Friday days. I can find you the best deals on that. Christmas and Prime Day just ended, so I probably should have done this earlier, but I'll do it next year. So yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, go subscribe to my second channel, Gaming Made Easy. Do all that good stuff, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.